This video will guide you through how to enable two-factor authentication on PrimeXBT. So in order to do that, open your PrimeXBT application and make sure that you're logged in. After you're logged into your account, tap on the human icon located at the upper left-hand side. Now, select Settings from the option. Expand the Security tab and toggle on the button right next to two-factor authentication. Now, you'll need to download and install the Google Authenticator app. Simply go ahead and tap the download link in order to download and install Google Authenticator application on your phone, and after you are done with it, you can tap the next button. Now, in order to set up your code, you'll need to add PrimeXBT account in your Google Authenticator app and enter the 16-digit key. Tap Next in order to get your backup key and the QR code for your account displayed on the screen. You need to save this particular key on a paper, since this key will allow you to recover your Google Authenticator access in case of phone loss. Simply copy the key and paste it in to somewhere safe. Now, after you are done saving your backup key, tap the next button. You need to now enter the Google verification code. Simply open up your Google Authenticator app and tap on the plus button at the bottom right. Tap on Enter a setup key and in the first text box, enter the account's name. You can enter XBT or PrimeXBT according to your choice. Now go to the Key tab and paste in the backup key that you just saved. After you are done, tap on Add and you'll be able to add PrimeXBT on Google Authenticator. Now you can tap on the XBT option and your code will be copied. Get back to the app and enter the verification text code and you'll be able to enable two-factor authentication on PrimeXBT. Now whenever you are logging into your account, you need to enter the two-factor authentication code from your Google Authenticator app. That was how you can easily enable two-factor authentication for security purpose on PrimeXBT. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.